Hi guys, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I'm here to do a demo slash review and a little bit of a swatch for you guys with this Nikkietutorial Ofra cosmetic highlighter collab. This is a highlighter that Nikkietutorial and Ofra cosmetic collab and making. I've talked about this highlighter on my new product video. If you guys have not seen that, I'll put a link here below so you guys can go and check it out. So I picked this highlighter from the bougie shop. If you guys live in Holland, you know the bougie shop. I picked this up for 19 euros, but actually it costs like 20 something, 30 euros, but I picked it up for 19 euros. So this is what the highlighter look like. I haven't used this highlighter. This is my first time I'm going to use this highlighter. I've already done my face. If you guys want to know also the foundation that I use, I just did a video on the new Hammer foundation. I just did a video about this foundation. That video will be up very soon, so you guys go and check it out. So this is the foundation I'm wearing. The foundation is €7.50. It's from the Hammer for dark skin, for donkere huid. It's a perfect foundation from donkere huid, and from the foundation Zo Mooi. I really like this foundation. That video will be up, so let's jump into this highlighting. You guys know Nikkietutorials. She's a very big YouTuber slash Instagrammer. She's a very good girl. She does a lot of videos. I watch most of her videos and I really like her makeup looks. So I picked this highlight and I just want to come and do a review for you guys. I'm going to use this fan brush. It's also my first time of using this fan brush, so I just want to see how it looks like. First of all, let's do some swatch. You guys know I'm very bad with swatches. I'm not good at swatches, so let's just try. This is what the highlighter look like. You guys can see it's very pigment, and then I'm going to swatch it right here. You guys can see the highlighter is blinding. This highlighter, the name is Blind the Haters, Ofra Cosmetic and Nikkietutorial Blind the Haters. So this is what the highlighter look like. You guys can see it's very pigment. So let's just use this to highlight my face. First we're going to start with my brow bone, because yeah, I'm gonna use this small Hammer brush. I really like this brush. You gotta be careful with the Ofra cosmetic highlighters because they're very pigment. So I'm gonna use this like, you guys see what I'm talking about. Ofra cosmetic highlighters are very pigment, and that is one of the reasons why their highlighters are my #1 favorite highlighters, because those highlighters can make you live forever. The highlighters can make you live forever. Do you guys see that brow bone? Look at this one, it's still sleeping. This one is awake. So let's just put this one here as well. Whew. I like this highlighter. When I first saw it at the store, I'm like, I got to have it. And then when I saw that they have sales on it, and I was like, I'm gonna pick this highlighter up. Now I'm going to use this other side of the brush and just to like blend it a little bit, just the edge between the eyeshadow and the highlighter. As you guys can see. So now we're gonna take this smaller brush and get the highlighter at the inner corner of my eyes. Woo. Okay, you guys see my eyes look popping. This is a very bright gold. Whoa. So this is what it looks like, and now we're gonna highlight my nose. Uh-oh, you guys see, I don't even want to put a lot on my nose just because I'm scared that my nose is gonna look too shiny. But hey, who cares? This is why I bought it. Whew, my nose looks snatch. And I'm just gonna take this other side of this brush That nose is everything. I don't like to highlight a lot around my. Just gonna dust a little bit off, just a little bit go a long way. And then now we're going to do my favorite side. That's the cheekbone. You guys ready? I'm ready. So let's take this fan brush. Just press it, okay? Don't try to. And then let's go. You guys ready? Ooh, I'm nervous. You guys ready? Oh my god, I have not even. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You guys see that? I didn't even take that much. I just like pressed the brush on the highlights. I have not even taken that. I'm scared because the highlighters are very pigment from the Ofra cosmetic. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Ooh, this looks a little bit too much. Ooh, I like it. I love these highlighters. Like, I know for sure if Nikkietutorials is gonna come out with a highlighter with the Ofra cosmetic, it has to be something blinding. Because have you seen this girl's highlighter? Her highlighters is always like killing. She always have like the gorgeous highlighters when she does her makeup. So I'm thinking, yeah, if Nikkietutorials gonna come out with a highlighter with Ofra cosmetic, it has to be something ridiculous cute, because this is beautiful. This is so beautiful. Like I love it. I'm so scared. I don't even. You guys can see the brush. This is what I do with the brush, like this, because I don't want to take that much and then later I gotta go in and be like, oh my god, I take away too much. Because I have three of the Ofra highlighters, so I know they are very pigment. So you also sometimes gotta be careful with the Ofra highlighters, because they are very. I think this is more than enough for me. This is like more than enough for me. You guys see that glow? It is beautiful. This is beautiful. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to set my face with my Makeup Revolution oil setting spray. So this is beautiful. So this is the finished result with the Ofra cosmetic highlighters. I really like this. This highlighter is really beautiful. It is really blind the haters, okay? If you want the pigment to intense, you can put more, but I was definitely scared to put more because I know their highlighters are very pigment, and I just like this look. I don't want it to be like super pigment, but I just like how it is. Like, you guys can check this glow. The glow is just there. So yeah, this is the finished results. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Facebook like page for more pictures, and give this video a thumbs up and tell me, what do you guys think of this highlighter? Have you used it before, or are you gonna get this highlighter? Just leave a comment below. Vergeet niet abonneren als je deze video leuk vindt, en vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram en op mijn Facebook pagina. En vergeet niet te kijken voor deze Hema Foundation video die ik heb gemaakt. Die link zal ik hier doen voor jullie. Geef deze video een duim omhoog als je deze video leuk vindt. En hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. This is your girl Amy. Doeg. Bye.